so I can turn on your lights, Woodpecker.
Try this.
Thank you.
Didn't see that one coming. Or did I?
Cut! That's a wrap, folks.
Hey, kid, where's my bottle of water? Huh. Buzz, baby, I love that you do your own stunts.
So does my chiropractor. Woody, I've been thinking, how about just once I win at the end of an episode?
I understand where you're coming from, buddy. But it's not me, it's the fans. They demand to see the handsome hero win.
Yeah, whatever.
Hey, gang! The publicity department needs a photo of the three of you.
Yeah, no problem.
You got it.
Make sure you get my good side. Ah, who am I kidding? Both sides are my good side.
Say cheesy!
Jeez.
Thanks a million, gang!
Well, see you all tomorrow.
That bird needs a taste of his own medicine. I've always wanted to direct. Oh, this ought to make things interesting for that spoiled little redhead.
Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sir.
Okay, Woodpecker, get ready to star in my latest cartoon, Buzzed by Buzz. Came up with the title myself.
Oh, I'm crazy. What can I do? So are you. Hey, where did everything go? What's the deal? Could this be a circus episode? Oh! Whoa. Ah. Huh? Phew, you know, maybe this is just a really weird dream.
And it's about to get weirder.
Whoa! Should have brought my swim fins. You don't want to eat me, Mr. Shark. Woodpeckers don't taste very good, so I've heard. Huh?
Try outrunning this.
Yikes! Nowhere to go but up. Better wait out the storm.
Fasten your seatbelt, hero. It's about to get very bumpy.
Oh, what now? Seriously? Phew. A snake. It just had to be a snake. Huh? What the? Huh? Where am I? Buzz! Time for a plot twist.
How did you...
You should know by now, Buzz. Never run afoul of this fowl. Hey! Give me that thing! No, it's mine! Mine!
No way, it's mine! No, it isn't.
Look what you did!
Me? This is all your fault, superstar.
How are they going to animate the next episode?
Who cares? I'm never gonna work with you again.
That goes ditto for me, pal.
Hey, what's the big idea? Wait a second.
If you're here and I'm here, who's drawing this?
Cut!
she's here, right on time. Why, hello there, Winnie. Come on in, the water's fine.
Why, thank you. So, what did you plan for our big date?
More like, what didn't I plan? First, we'll start with a bite to eat. Entrez-vous.
Ooh!
Followed by a little dancing. Then we'll cap our day with a little quiet time.
Oh, Woody, that all sounds wonderful. Ooh, such a gentleman. But first, I need to freshen up.
Yeah! Woohoo! What? No!
What was that?
Nothing. Let's eat.
Did you hear that?
Nervous habit.
There it is again.
I ate a lot of sugar this morning.
There's definitely someone at the door.
I'm sure it's just the wind.
Why are you being so... Chilly Willy? Oh my, you must be freezing.
He's a penguin. Penguins love the cold.
Did you get caught in the storm? Poor baby.
Ooh.
I bet you're hungry.
Hey, that's my seat.
Will you grab another plate, Woody? Please?
Oh, it's supposed to be we time, not three time. Give him a plate. He's so small, and where did the food go?
Oh, don't be rude, Woody. Chili's our guest.
Here you go. Ooh. Forget the meal. Come on. Let's dance, baby. Huh? Blah. Whoa.
You're so light on your feet.
Excuse me. Well, by all means. May I cut in? Pardon me. My turn. After you. Sure.
Ah, that's better.
You. How about you and I relax by the fire? Huh? Ooh, that is it! I am gonna draw you a bath. Penguins like the water, right? Just trying to be the host with the most. Such a cute little fella. Now, where were we?
Ooh, no, the fire's going out.
Oh, that's all right. I'll just toss another log on it. But how did you... No! You're pure evil!
Where'd Woody go? Oh, to gather more wood for the fire. How thoughtful of him. It's definitely getting colder. Oh, you're so sweet.
Huh? Winnie! Winnie! Let me in!
Huh, did you hear something? Oh, Chili, you're the best!
Woodrow Woodpecker speaking.
Woody, where are you? Splinter and Knothead's birthday party started an hour ago.
I was just, on my way out the door when you called.
Oh, good. Because all the twins can talk about is the present you promised them.
The present?
You forgot to get it, didn't you?
Winnie, how dare you suggest that I forgot the thing?
The Mega Station video game console?
I'll have you know I have it right here in my hands. Wrapped and ready.
Oh, wonderful. See you soon.
If I was a Mega Station console, where would I be hiding? Oh no. Phew, last one. Hey, let go of the twins' birthday present.
This birthday present is for my niece and nephew, Flip and Tusker.
Yoink.
Come back here with my present!
Samples! Cheese samples!
Ooh.
You red-headed cuckoo bird!
Whoa!
Ta-da!
So, you want to play with your food, do ya? Incoming!
Samples!
Whoa! Oh, hi, Winnie.
Woody, where are you? We're about to sing happy birthday.
Just hit a little bit of traffic. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Will I get my hands on that? Oh, hello, pretty ballerina. You don't happen to have seen a Mega Station?
Hey!
Little birdie, you want to get away from me this time?
Huh?
Cheese samples!
Ah!
Ooh. Now you're making me real mad. Ha! I'm the king of the world, Woodpecker.
I can't believe I lost to a walrus.
One Mega Station, please.
Would that be cash or credit?
I'll be taking that, thank you.
Attention shoppers, Big Bulk Mart is now closed. We will reopen at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Hey, wait,
no.
don't let me, don't let. What are we gonna do all night?
Ah!
Got it, ha-ha! Oh, good
Wow,
one.
you're really good at this, Wally.
Hold on.
Now, where to put the wreath? Ooh, sounds like Santa's coming early. Hey, Wally, what do you think you're doing?
This year, I'm going to have the biggest Christmas tree on the whole block.
Well, this isn't a Christmas tree. It's my home!
Well, your home is going to spend this Christmas outside my home, covered in pretty decorations.
Nothing says Christmas like a snowman.
This is not over, Woodpecker!
Just gotta find the right place. Whoa! Huh? Santa? Ooh, this Christmas I want a pony and a bike and a skateboard and a space helmet, but I'd be willing to settle for a huge pile of cash.
Fine, you want to go big, little birdie? We'll go huge!
Gotta get this up before... Huh?
Nothing says Christmas spirit like heavy machinery.
Wait for it.
I can't see a thing! Whoa! Where am I? Huh?
Don't worry, this ice is rock solid. See?
Yeah.
Well, I stand corrected.
Phew.
You should really dress more warmly. You'll catch cold. Does it seem a little quiet to you? Too quiet.
Like my grandma Walrus used to say, if at first you don't succeed, blow something up.
Need a light?
Shoo.
Hey, Wally, let's talk this out.
Too late for out-talking, Woodpecker. I have lost my patience.
We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Woody. Merry Christmas, Wally.
Hey, what are we doing, Wally? It's Christmas time. Peace on Earth and all that.
Yeah, you're right. But I still don't have a Christmas tree.
Ah! You do the honors, Wally.
No, you Woodpecker. I insist.
Together.
Together.
Not bad, but some things